Hey LEGO fans, this is LEGO Cardude, and I am here to review the 2012 LEGO City Excavator Transport, set number 4203. It is recommended for ages 5 through 12, and its contents are 305 pieces. And in the top right corner of the box, it shows that the truck and trailer together are 37 centimeters long, or 14.6 inches, and nothing too special on the back. It just shows play features. And then I'll show minifigures now, like I usually do. And here is our first minifigure. He is wearing a mining cap, and he is wearing a plaid shirt with some tools on his belt, and he has some back printing too. And there's his face. I'll try to focus in. Okay. Sorry if it's not the best. My camera isn't the best. Sorry. And then he is wearing like khaki pants. So that's that. And then, by the way, that was our excavator operator or driver. And here is our truck driver. He is wearing a red baseball cap. And there is his face, if it will focus. Okay, sorry. As I said before, camera's not the best. And then he is wearing a blue shirt, and on his belt there's some printed tools on the front. There. That's better, I think. And then on the back there's some back printing on his torso. And then he's just wearing light blue pants. And now for the first thing we get to build in the set, the excavator. There's quite a few stickers. So the mining logo, that is a sticker, and then the little 4203, that's the set number, and that's also a sticker. That's a sticker. That's a sticker. That's a sticker. And these two are stickers, and then that's a sticker too. So quite a few stickers on the excavator, and then on top there's a little warning light maybe, and it's made using Technic bricks, so it's a Technic base. And then there's an alternate thing besides the bucket. You also get a drill right here to break apart these two rocks. And, well, rocks. And then inside there's some gold, when they're just really 4 gold studs, and then same thing in the other one. There you go. And then, oh, sorry. Sorry. And then there is room for one minifigure inside. And you just put the minifigure inside there, inside the cab, give it the controls, and they will proceed to their next destination. And before I go on to the next thing in the set, this does rotate a full 360. There you go. So that's pretty neat. And then, now for the truck, you can kind of see it right here. PN4203. PN is the designer's initials, and then 4203, that is the set number. That is also a sticker. And then city, then I have no idea what that says in the top right corner, but that is a sticker on top of a 2x4 tile. And then the mining logo, that is a sticker, and that is not the set number right there. I have no idea what that stands for. And then on the other side we have basically the same sticker but just mirrored. And then we have a couple flashing lights, or flashing lights on top. And you have some stacks, because this truck apparently it uses diesel. Then inside there is room for a minifigure, just one. And then there's a coffee mug too, a yellow one. And then you just slip your minifigure in there and then put the roof on. And also there's rear view mirrors, so you can see what is going on behind you. And then right there they have a 2x2 round plate, and I will show that pretty soon. So here is the large trailer. It is a train base, and before I go on, this is one sticker, JC4203. JC is the designer's initials, and then 4203 is the set number. That is one sticker. That is the only sticker on the trailer, I believe. And then you have a couple flashing lights here, 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 and here. And they don't really flash, but that would be kind of tricky to do. And then you have a pickaxe, a stick of dynamite, and a brick-built place to store the excavator. And hold on, I just need to put the drill where it's supposed to be. And then you just simply place it right here, and then it fits in there nice and snug. And then you just bend the bucket so it'll stay. And then you can also put the rocks right there. That's what I'm doing for storage purposes, even though it's going to be in my city. And then right here, that little bit right there, that is used to attach the trailer right in there. Sorry. And then simply you just have to, I just have to bring it into frame because it's a big set. I mean, long set, that is. So this set retails for $40 on Lego Shop at Home, and I am not sure if that's the retail price at other stores. That it could be different at other stores. And well, those are my thoughts and opinions on this set. It's a neat set. It is pretty cool. I mean, there's a lot of cool and neat play features, but yeah, it's just a cool set. You really should get it. So yeah, that's my thoughts and opinions on this set, guys. And until next time, please like, comment, and subscribe.